Hey, it's AJ here for TechBytes, and in this video we're going to be talking about webcams. Or should I actually say a lack of webcams? So, let's get started. In early 2020, webcams were like gold dust. You couldn't find one anywhere, and still many people don't actually have one. But do you really actually need a dedicated webcam? Most people probably have all the tools that they need at home. All you need is a computer, your smartphone, and some free software. So, sounds pretty easy, right? That's because it really actually is. In another video that we did, we showed you how you could add your logo and other branding to your videos using a free piece of software called OBS. And that's exactly what we'll be using for this method. We'll link that video down in the comments and also in a title card for you to be able to check out. The first thing that you'll need to be able to do is download OBS, also known as Open Broadcaster Studio, from www.obsproject.com. Once you've installed it, the first thing that you'll need to be able to do is set it up. Once this is complete, you can then close it, and then you can download and install a plugin called DroidCam OBS. We'll leave a link to that down in the description. The next thing that you need to be able to do is download the DroidCam phone app for iOS or Android. You can find the links to these on their website. There is a free version with limited features, and there's also a paid one-off upgrade for a small fee to be able to unlock other features such as HD video, all lens support, and even noise cancellation on supported devices. Once you've downloaded the DroidCam plugin and app, all you need to be able to do is open up OBS on your computer and the DroidCam application on your phone. You can either connect this to your computer by a cable, or if they're on the same network, you can use Wi-Fi to be able to transmit your video and audio. The next thing that you'll need to be able to do is set up a scene within OBS to be able to be used for a webcam, and then you can add DroidCam as a source from the sources menu. Simply click to use DroidCam as a source, name it or leave it as default if you like, and then enter the connection details. You can select to use Wi-Fi or cable if you're connected via a cable. And if you're connecting over Wi-Fi, you can enter the IP and port details that you see on your phone screen. You can also select your desired resolution, enable audio, and then you can click to activate the camera. Once you've done this, you can then move it and resize it on your screen until you're happy with it. And then all you need to be able to do is click Start the Virtual Camera within OBS. Then within your video calling software, you can select OBS Virtual Camera as your camera input. And that's it. You're using your phone as your webcam. It's pretty simple. Of course, your results will vary depending on your phone's camera quality, but for most people this will be more than suitable. But just remember that if you're on longer calls, you may want to keep your phone charged so that you don't lose charge partway through a call. You can even use mini tripods such as this to be able to hold your phone at the right height for you. This isn't the only solution though, just one of the cheapest. You may already have a digital camera lying around the house, and depending on the age and the connection type of it, you may also be able to use this as a webcam. Some cameras already include this functionality by default. Nikon, Sony and Canon provide desktop applications for you to be able to download, so that you can connect supported cameras to use through your computer, and they will just be able to be seen as regular webcams. If I wanted to be able to, I could use my camera that I'm using right now to be able to record as a webcam through my computer, but that might be a little bit of overkill. But this is exactly what professional streamers use to be able to achieve the best results. Even this 360 video camera from Insta360 can be operated as a webcam. It includes face tracking support in 4K, and also a conference room feature in 360 mode. But what if your camera isn't directly supported by these softwares? Well, don't worry, because there are other solutions. Dongles such as this Elgato Camlink and this Genki Shadowcast give you the ability to be able to connect straight to digital cameras which support HDMI out, and you can use these as webcams. You can even use this method within OBS to be able to set up multiple scenes, so you can switch between multiple different camera views if you have multiple devices. Hopefully though you found this information useful. If you have, please hit the like button and consider sharing this with your friends, family and colleagues. Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified about future videos, including more of our TechBytes videos and our longer TechSplain videos. Until then though, see you soon!